Okay, here's a quick look at the E-mini S&P through the eyes of E-mini Day Trader for Monday, August the 9th, 2010. We had mentioned yesterday that we were expecting follow-through. By the way, this is Friday's profile, its corresponding volume profile. This is what occurred overnight, and this is the market profile from today. So this is where the market closed on Friday near its high. We were expecting perhaps a pull back to around 17 or so, and it did dip down to 1650 and then had a nice rally up, basically finishing the overnight trade right here, which is where it opened. The market then did pull back again towards our support area. This time it only got to 18 and turned around and pretty well rallied for the rest of the day, although certainly not in a strong fashion. We're still looking at that 29 area to get tested. And of course today was kind of a quiet day. Very light volume today in anticipation of tomorrow's FOMC news release. That'll be coming out at 2:15 Eastern Time tomorrow. So until that time, the market could remain very quiet. We're still looking in around the 17 to 18 area as support with an upward bias. We also like to use the market profiles from the day session only, and that's what you're looking at right here. As far as our trades were concerned, we actually only had three triggers today, one, two on the long side, and a short one late in the day. So this trade here was a little too early and got stopped out. This trade here was right on the money. Moved up here our 1.5 second objective, and then unfortunately we were stopped out at break even on the final 1/4 of our position before it had the good move up sideways and more move up. So we were certainly on the right side of that trade and looking for that kind of trade location within the context of the larger time frame, that being the intraday or day-to-day auction. The late trade that we had over here, it was an entry right here, and it was a little too late in the day to get in. It was I think there was like 7 or 8 minutes left, maybe not even that, maybe something like that, 7 or 8 minutes left I think it was in the regular trading hours to the close of the cash. And of course we don't enter positions once the cash closes, but for that last 15 minutes up to the top of the hours is you really only want to take trades with the direction of the auction, and we knew going into today we wanted to be long. We had good indications to get long, even though that we did have a neutral filter in here at that time, and it was that way most of the day. Really wasn't a trade that we wanted to take, so we didn't take that trade for those reasons. So just a very quiet day, and let's keep monitoring 17. 22 could also offer some support as well on the way to 29. That's really the mark where the market needs to test. So be aware of that news that'll be released tomorrow. Any questions or any questions or comments, please don't hesitate to contact us. info@eminidaytrader.com is our email address, and of course our telephone number's on the website if you care to give us a call. So thanks for taking the time to view the video, and watch out for that FOMC news tomorrow. It's likely to get fairly volatile just prior to and of course immediately thereafter. So that'll be it for today. Thanks for taking the time to view the video, and we will see you again tomorrow.